Lion. Mga kapatid, Engine 7 and Engine 12, Charlie, pwede mo maka-pick up dire o buwan or hatan lang mo na mo tubig. There's activity sila tubig. Nana? Nandun tubig sa truck na namin. I would like to acknowledge our friend from the media, si Kapusong Green Nico Sereno. Yeah, come on.
Also, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our friend from the media, from the Freeman.
Office Bismin Group.
Also, a friend from the Freeman, Mr. Romero Maranta.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Salamat for coming. Salamat sa pag-cover sa atuang activity for today.
Alright, so it has begun rescue relay.
That's the last performer, no? Before we take the break. Kami po Bismin, nasa pulisan or napay sila? Last one sila. And then we will take a short break. We will resume at 1300 Hotel, 1 o'clock in the afternoon for the continuation of the Cebu City Paralympics Fire Station Paralympics 2025.
Alright, 2 targets hit. Now Georgie the ladder.
Hinay, mas-slide mo! Hinay, mas-slide! Mas-slide mo! Ay, amak! Tara, balik ka! Ay, lagsa ka! Ay, lagsa ka! Ay, lagsa ka! Start! Bira! Lock! Lock! Bahala mo sila! Master! Kapilasan ni Master? Tase! Game! Kau! Kamay lang!
Seconds.
Tawaki Barney! Tarong motors! Kana! Akordeon! Kukusa! Way kupling matagak! Ayan!
Alright, making their way back to the starting line. Sa rescue relay, Mana, and the blitz attack, Diana, happy na ba